We are drawing a triggerfish today. It is Thursday, April 21st at 5:50 in the morning. The triggerfish is one of my favorite saltwater fish. That is one of my goals, is to have a small saltwater tank, not the huge one. And I know size is dependent on how many fish you can have in them. So we've got a great little saltwater shop here in Springfield, Missouri. Pretty knowledgeable, and they've got fairly reasonable prices. So that's one of my goals, is to have a saltwater tank. I've always had a freshwater tank, but drawing this triggerfish, there's a lot of different varieties. So I kind of went with the generic one, just because, if you do a little research, there are lots of different colors, different flavors, different fins. So I just did a general representation. I'm still on my little process of trying to do as little, well, not as little, but do as much inking as I can without doing pencil, just to save time for erasing the pencil marks from where I don't quite cover them all with the ink. And it seems to be going well with the waves and the bubbles, and mostly the eyes. I went ahead and did the eye freehand this time, without using pencil, I believe. We'll see here in a minute. But the ocean waters are pretty good. I've got, I think, 2 more drawings before this coloring book is complete. So hopefully in the next video or 2, you're going to start seeing me coloring the cover picture and 3 of the back pictures. Mackenzie, my daughter, she's unable to help me this time, so I'm going to do the coloring myself, and I'm going to video it and have you guys watch it. So we'll see how my coloring ability pans out. I'm not too sure of my coloring, so we'll see. I'll try and do some mixing of colors, and we'll try and get something halfway decent popping out for you. So, like and subscribe and follow along and see how my coloring goes. Hopefully we'll put that out tomorrow, but we'll see how it goes there. As you can see, there's a lot of curves on the triggerfish, as with all ocean critters, and I still get a little anxiety when I freehand or draw the curves, because I am 56. I'm not as stable as I used to be, but it seems to be turning out pretty good. I think the bubbles are a good effect, and this has been a great journey to get up early in the mornings and draw. It helps clear my mind out and get going for the day. So here's my final drawing. Have a great Thursday.